So this was going to be sasquatch, but then I didn't have enough brown soap dough. So I was like, it'll just be a Yeti, because I had lots of white, and he's coming down from the mountains in hibernation a tad early in search of food and finding lots of pumpkin themed stuff. So yeah, there you have it. Sometimes you just have to go with it, and I did not make enough brown for whatever reason. I thought I had more than I did, and so white it was. I mean, it's cute. I expect that this is going to discolor a little. I used almond biscotti from Brambleberry, and it does discolor. Not awfully, but it does. So I expect that this will darken up a tad, but I still think it's cute, and I think it works with the whole fall themed soaps. So the first soap, the first fall soap is done. Actually, I have 3 soaps to cut today because I made 3 batches. This is just the first one I cut, and I don't know if this will be the first one that is scheduled on my YouTube channel. Probably not, but anyways, there you have it. My Yeti Halloween fall themed soap.